Welcome to the lesson on pressure. Lesson, we will be able to identify the significance of pressure, explain the effect of pressure exerted by liquids and gases, identify the significance of atmospheric pressure.
Push this nail in this wooden board. I simply cannot do it.
Let me have a look at it. This piece of nail has blunt end. It is not pointed. Hence, you cannot push it inside the board. This nail has a pointed end. Hence, the area over which the force is applied is small. This results in greater pressure and allows the nail to push through. The force acting on a unit area of a surface is called pressure. If the area is less, then pressure created by the force is more, like in the case of nail with the pointed end. That is why the tools meant for cutting and piercing have sharp edges so that greater pressure can be created. You can observe your school shoulder bag. It has broad straps so that the force is shared by large area and less pressure is created. Pressure on the walls of the container. When we fix a rubber balloon to the outlet of the tap and run the water, then what do we observe?
The balloon gets inflated.
Yes, the water causes pressure on the walls of the balloon. Hence, it gets inflated. Let us do an activity. We take a discarded water bottle. We drill a hole near the bottom of the bottle. Now, Juhi, while I press the hole with my finger, you fill the bottle with water. Now, I release my finger. What do you observe?
I observe that the water comes out of the hole with pressure. This pressure reduces as the height of the water in the bottle decreases.
That's correct. The pressure of water at the hole is in direct proportion to the height of water in the bottle. When the height of water is more, the pressure is more. Let us perform another activity. We will take a transparent glass tube and fix a rubber balloon at one end of the tube. Now, we fill water in the glass tube. What do we observe?
The rubber balloon bulges as the height of the water column increases in the glass tube. Hence, there is a direct relation between the bulge in the rubber balloon and the height of water column in the tube.
That is excellent, Juhi. Gases too exert pressure on the walls of their container. When we inflate a balloon, then the air exerts pressure in all directions. Air all around the earth is called atmosphere. The atmospheric air extends up to many kilometers above the surface of the earth. The pressure exerted by this air is known as atmospheric pressure. Pressure is force per unit area. Our body is subjected to atmospheric pressure all the times. Let us take a good quality rubber sucker and try to press it hard on a smooth plain surface. Now, try to pull it off the surface. What do you observe?
The sucker sticks to the surface because the pressure of atmosphere acts on it.
To pull the sucker, applied force should be large enough to overcome atmospheric pressure. Otto von Guericke, a German scientist, joined two hollow metallic hemispheres of 51 centimeter diameter each and pumped air out of them. Then he employed 8 houses on each hemisphere to pull them apart. So great is the force of air pressure that the hemispheres could not be pulled apart. We are able to identify the significance of pressure, explain the effect of pressure exerted by liquids and gases, identify the significance of atmospheric pressure.